Welcome to the minimal pair practice between the T sound and the dental T replacement of the TH, as well as the D sound and the dental D replacement of the voiced TH. We'll be looking at 5 examples comparing the T and dental T, 5 examples comparing the D and dental D. First, we'll compare these side by side to help open up your ears, and I'm going to say, starting with T, the T sound, and then I'm going to do the dental T, which is flatter, usually more on the teeth, T. Okay, so side by side. T, 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 T. And then for the D, the voiced version of these, duh, 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 duh. If you can't quite hear the difference side by side, that's okay. This is all part of the practice. Let's go ahead and jump into the 1-2 game. And our first pair will be pat and path, but with a dental T, so it will be pat. Ready? Pat. 1. Pat. Path. Path. 2. Pat. Path. Path. 2. Pat. Path. Path. 2. Pat. Path. Pat. 1. Pat. Path. Next pair. Width. 2. Wit. Width. Wit. 1. Wit. Width. Wit. 1. Wit. Width. Wit. 1. Wit. Width. Width. 2. Wit. Width. Next pair. Tick. 1. Tick. Thick. Tick. 1. Tick. Thick. Thick. 2. Tick. Thick. Thick. 2. Tick. Thick. Tick. 1. Tick. Thick. Next pair. Thank. 2. Tank. Thank. Thank. 2. Tank. Thank. Tank. 1. Tank. Thank. Tank. 1. Tank. Thank. Next pair. Hat. 2. Hat. 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 1. Hat, hat. Hat. 1. Hat, hat. Hat. 2. Hat, hat. Next pair, moving to the voiced versions. Seed. 2. Seed, seed. Seed. 2. Seed, seed. Seed. 1. Seed, seed. Seed. 2. Seed, seed. Next pair. Day. 1. Day, day. Day. 2. Day, day. They. 2. Day, they. They. 2. Day, they. Next pair. Dough. 1. Dough, though. Though. 2. Dough, though. Though. 2. Dough, though. Dough. 1. Dough, though. Next pair. This. 2. Dis, this. This. 2. Dis, this. Dis. 1. Dis, this. Dis. 1. Dis, this. This. 2. Dis, this. Next pair. Breed. 1. Breed, breathe. Breed. 1. Breed, breathe. Breed. 1. Breed, breathe. Breathe. 2. Breed, breathe. Breed. 1. Breed, breathe. Breathe. 2. Breed, breathe. And now for the bonus round. You will not see the words because the spelling can give you the answer. You will hear me say a word that either uses the regular T, the regular D, the dental T, or the dental D. And you have to guess which one it is. Note that not all of these are real words. Ready? Da. Regular D. Te. Dental T. Dunk. Regular D. These. Dental D. Tase. Dental T. Rat. Regular T. Rop. Dental T. Hid. Regular D. Faith. Dental T. Fit. Dental T. Wad. Regular D. Head. Dental D. Caught. Regular T. How'd you do? Let me know. If this was difficult for you, it's okay. Keep practicing, keep training those ears. You will get it. Thank you so much for watching another English Hacks lesson. Make sure to keep watching some more great content from English Hacks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.